Hey, Valere here. Today we're conducting a site visit. Do you ever wonder why architects don't just jump right into design work? Surveying a building isn't just a step. It's the step that makes all the others possible. It's our way of gathering crucial details about your building before we start crafting a design. Without a proper survey of the building, we'd be designing in the dark. You might be thinking, hey, I already have plans for this building. Isn't that enough? Well, not exactly. Over time, buildings evolve, and those changes aren't always documented. What appears on existing documentation may not be accurate. Relying solely on old documentation is like using a map from the 1800s to navigate a modern city. On-site observation of a building gives architects the most accurate and up-to-date information about the space. By conducting a thorough survey of existing conditions, we're setting your project up for success. We get to see how real-world conditions compare to existing documentation, allowing us to plan accurately, saving both time and money down the road. At VALERE, we believe that great architecture starts with understanding what's already there. That's why our first step is always a detailed architectural survey. Stay tuned for more project updates.